Hi, are you searching for a new home? Are you fighting an uphill battle trying to get your offer accepted? Are you confused and frustrated when it comes to your insurance? So today I have my property insurance specialist here with us to teach you about the top 5 things you need to know about insurance when purchasing a new home in California. So here he is. I'm Raymond
And I'm Seth,
and we're with Alta Vista Insurance. And today I'm going to teach you about the top 5 things you need to know about insurance when purchasing a new home in California. But before we do that, I want to teach you a couple things to look for when searching for an insurance agent. So the first thing you want to look for is an agent that's local, somebody that understands your local market. The second thing you want to look for is an agent that is independent, somebody that represents many different insurance companies and has many different options and solutions for their clients. And the third thing you want to look for is an agent that specializes in your personal insurance and what matters to you most, like your home, your automobiles, your life, and your health. So today, Raymond's going to teach you about the top 5 things you need to know about your insurance when purchasing a new home. So Raymond, what's the first thing people need to know about their insurance here in California?
Thanks, Seth. So the first point that you need to know about homeowners insurance here in California is what's covered. So here in California, your standard homeowners insurance policy will cover you for catastrophic losses and sudden and accidental occurrences. This means wildfire, lightning, wind, hail, if a pipe bursts in the home, or even those small kitchen fires. It's good to understand what's not covered on your standard homeowners insurance policy.
Now, what about earthquakes and floods?
Exactly my point. Earthquakes and floods, those are excluded on your standard homeowners insurance policy. And if you want to be covered for all perils, you want to make sure you purchase a separate earthquake and flood insurance policy.
Great. Now, what about my home? How do I know how much coverage I need?
That's a great question, and that leads us to our second point. How much coverage do you need? Here in California, you're going to be insured for the reconstruction cost of your home. You're not going to be insured for the market value or the value of the land.
Great. So basically, the insurance companies are not concerned with the cost of the air.
Yeah, exactly.
Now, what about my contents or my personal property that I have in the home?
Yeah, so that's a great question. So there is coverage on your homeowner's insurance policy for contents, and you want to be sure that you're covered for replacement costs for your dwelling and your contents. This means that no depreciation is taken into account.
So basically, if I bought a couch or a furniture set, let's say 3 years ago, and I paid $10,000 for that furniture set, and then let's say today it gets destroyed in a fire, am I going to get the full replacement value for that furniture set, even though it is a couple years old?
Yes, if you have replacement cost coverage for your contents, you are fully covered.
Great, nice. Now, what about things that I have in the home that really mean a lot to me? Maybe like some jewelry or some nice artwork that I have, anything like that.
Yeah, so like I said, there is coverage for your contents, and when it comes to high value items like jewelry, furs, antiques, firearms, if you have any paintings in the homes, those artworks, there are sublimits on your homeowner's insurance policy, and for those high value items, I definitely recommend getting those scheduled on your homeowner's insurance policy.
So scheduled personal property. So probably going to need like an appraisal or some type of a receipt to show the value to the insurance companies.
Yeah, exactly. So usually when we're looking at scheduling personal property, we do want to have those appraised values to make sure that those items that mean a lot to you are fully protected.
Great. Now, what about if I'm sued or if something happens on my property where I'm liable?
Yeah, so on your homeowner's insurance policy, there's coverage for your personal liability. So if anyone tries to find you negligent, so a slip and fall on your property, if you have personal injury, so libel, slander, defamation of character, that is included on your homeowner's insurance policy, so there is coverage for you.
All right, great. So that covers probably the top 5 things that everybody needs to know about their insurance, especially when purchasing a home in California. For more videos like this, and to make the insurance process easier for you, enter your email address and click the button below to get started. We look forward to working with you.